Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Financial Freedom with Velvet. Coming on here to make a quick video about Slice the Pie. For those of you that don't know, I've been an online marketer since 2014, and I've been working Slice the Pie ever since. It is a review site where you get paid to review different things, like right here. The very first thing, they changed this site so many times, they updated it out so many times. But this one I like better because you get to review music and you get to review beauty products. You get to review fashion, which is clothes, and this is like makeup and stuff. This is beauty part was recently added, but music is the main one, and fashion, and also what's the other one called? I forgot. Branded brands. You can do brands, and sometimes you can write reviews on cell phone cases, iPhone cases, stuff like that, furniture, stuff like that. So I just wanted to do a quick video on this site because some of you are new to my channel, and I was gonna do a video on superpay.me because I remember that site. I was on it just now. I switched from the desktop to the hold on one second, to the phone. Hold on one second, you guys. Alright, you guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. Had to find out something. But anyway, what you want to do when you come on Slice the Pie, you want to click on it, and there's going to be a song that you play. You're going to have to play 90 seconds of the song. Down here, you're going to have to write what you thought. Your honest review, don't lie, tell the truth. And when this bar fills up, you can go ahead and rate it a 0 to 10. If you like the song, if you didn't like it, depends on what you rate it, okay? And it's going to ask you, would you add this to your playlist? You hit yes or no. You're going to hit submit. And usually when you start off, you're going to have like 1 to 2 cents. But as you build up your rating, I'm at a 4-star rating right now. So once I get to a 5-star rating, my reviews will be really good. So I was actually wanted to show you guys my balance here. Okay, as you guys see, I have $4.03 in my balance. Okay, so I'm going on the frequently asked questions page because I want you guys to know a little bit about this site. It says we pay you to write reviews on new songs, fashion items, accessories, and commercials before they're released. Your reviews go directly to unsigned artists, fashion designers, etc. to give them feedback. Okay? How do I receive a review on Slice the Pie? No, what? Okay. See, they have standard, bonus, and max. Max means they're paying out like a lot of money. I don't think I've ever seen max, but bonus is usually like 12 cents, 20 cents, something like that. The star rating basically means this is a measure of the quality of your reviews compared with all the reviews. The more stars you have, the more you earn. So the email, if you guys decide to sign up with Slice the Pie, the email you sign up with has to match your PayPal account. They only withdraw to PayPal, so it's important that your email address matches up. The minimum withdrawal is $10, and it takes up to 5 working days. Not true because it could take up to 5 business days. Okay? But they pay out on Tuesdays and Fridays. So like say today's Tuesday. If you were to work the site and get to $10 before Friday and your reviews are good, you get paid Friday. Okay. You guys can go through this when you sign up. It's up to you. Like I said, yes, it's tedious. This site is really, it's going to require, it depends on how much time you're willing to put into it. Like I just got $5 on this site. I'm going to try to get to $5 before I leave, before I, leave the site today. I'm at $4.03. I want to get to $5 today. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back and make another $5, which will give me $10. I can cash out on Friday. Okay. All the money that I'm making from my paid to sites are going towards the opportunity. I told you guys I'm gonna be joining shortly. Okay. I had saved up some money, but I had to use it. So, I had enough saved up to where I was gonna join this week, but things happen, and I'm gonna have to join next week possibly. So I know you guys are excited to hear about the opportunity. I know some of you might join, some of you might not. It's not a big deal. But let me recap this for some of you who don't know. The opportunity is a paid opportunity. It is a monthly opportunity, like a monthly charge to it. It is a service that everyone needs. So I will be coming on here talking about that opportunity, making videos on it and everything else once I get into the opportunity. Okay? So I wanted to come on here to do a short video about Slice the Pie. I don't know if you guys are signed up, but if you aren't, you really should sign up. Here's my referral code. If you guys want to write this down. That's my referral code. You guys will receive 20% of their review earnings and for 60 days and then 10% after. So for the first 60 days, you'll receive 20% of your referrals. Whenever they whenever they review, you get 20%. For 60 days, that's 3 months. Well, 60 days is, that's 90 days. That's 3 months. So 2 months, you will be getting 20% of your referrals earnings. 20%, you guys. And then after that, it's going to be 10%. Okay? So for 2 whole months, you're going to receive 20% of your referrals earnings. Every time they write a review and get credited, you get credited. 20%. Okay? So I think this is a site you should add to your, your to-do list. It's not going to make you rich, but it will bring you in some money. I will have $10 cashed out from the site on Friday. Alright, this is Financial Freedom with Velvet, and I'm done with the video.